Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Ray-Ban Meta. Are they worth the $300 price tag? Let's find out. Ray-Ban Meta. Oh my. Oh. Oh, wait. Oh, so you charge the glasses with the case. Okay. Of course, here it is. There we go. Okay, now that's everything. There's the box. Oh, lit up. Here are the Ray-Bans. So there's that out of there. You believe you put the glasses on here, these two prongs. So let's see. Oh, yep. And then when we plug it in, you'll know it's charging from this light. That's cool. Since we got these unboxed, I went ahead and messed with them for quite a bit. Here's the things that I found out. When you put them on, you click the top right, or your right side when you're wearing it. Click it once for a picture. You'll hear a click. Now it took a picture. You hold it. You'll hear ding, and it'll start recording. Now it is recording. Click again, stop recording. The glasses do not record forever. There's a setting in the app that you could change the length. I believe the max length is 3 minutes. You can see right here. This is how you change it in the app. You have to download the Ray-Ban Meta app. You can go in there and change the length. But when you hit record on the glasses, that's how long they will record and stop on their own, unless you stop it beforehand. The cool thing is you could be listening to music on here. The music's a lot louder than I thought it would be because it's not in your ears. So I didn't really know how that works, but the sounds come out right here and it just goes straight in your head. It's like teleportation. You could turn it up by going like this, slide upwards, turn it down, slide backwards. It's like a touch screen right there. We're gonna go at it. I'm gonna show you this too. When you hold and now to this recording, you can see right here, it has a light. This is a sensor light. This is the camera. This one's not the camera. You cover this one, it'll stay recording. If you try to cover this one and then start recording, it won't let you. It'll give you that sound. That'll go dun dun. Now there is ways around it. I don't know why they put that in. People could record already with their iPhones, and there's small cameras you could hook to yourself. I've seen it on Practical Jokers. They put it in their pocket and record like this. The way around it, you can cover this side with electrical tape, which is right here. You cut a piece of electrical tape, a small circle piece with like maybe a hole puncher. You cover it up, and when you go to record, you hold another piece of electrical tape. I'm going to show you guys. All right, so we have two pieces of electrical tape, right? And you cover this side, which is just the sensor, right? And you go to record, take a picture. You guys can't hear it, but it goes dun dun dun. Let's do that again. Let's see if you guys can hear it. Oh, my mic's right here. Let's do it again.
The capture LED is blocked. Unblock the front of the glasses to use the camera.
So, we have the thing on, it's blocked. If you cover this side also with electrical tape, and then you take a picture, it will let you. Or if you, what you guys want to know, if you go to take a video, hold it. It is now taking a video. And then you can remove it and it will continue to take the video. That's one way around it, but I don't mind the light. I just use it with the light. So far, very happy with them. So when I bought these, I didn't really think too much about the lenses. I bought them more for like sunglasses, but the fact that you could listen to music and all that, for me, I didn't know you could do that. And you could also talk to them. You could be like, hey Meta, what's this? And it'll tell you. So we're gonna go ahead and, instead of buying new glasses or paying them, they quoted me $250 to change the lenses out for clear lenses. So let's change them ourselves. So I went ahead and went on Amazon. These bad boys right here. And they are clear lenses. Paid a lot cheaper price. This is what I paid. A little carrying case. I'm gonna put the old ones in there. Hopefully this works. I have not switched them out before. I have no idea what I'm doing. But I saw that you can, and I'm not paying $250. And let's get them onto the glasses. Now, the way to take the lenses out, from what I've been reading, is you're gonna go ahead and push them forward. So let's give it a shot and see how it goes. Yep. Got one lens out. I got the other lens out. Now let's get the new ones in. We're gonna push in this time. Boom. It's as simple as that. Save $200 and something. Changing them out myself. And now, do they still work is the question. Picture, see the light, video. And they are recording. So now if we want the sunglasses lens back, we're gonna go ahead and keep these. We're gonna go put these in this bag. Honestly, not hard to do at all. The downsides of the glasses only record in this frame. You cannot change it to record 16:9 or YouTube 16:9 or 9:16, or it will only record in this one mode right here. That is the one downside, but you could always use it for shorts or whatever you're trying to record. So overall, I'm gonna go ahead and give these an 8 out of 10. Reason why they got dropped is because of you can't change how it records. Also, it is not max record. It can only record up to a max of 3 minutes. I don't like that. I'd rather just be able to record and stop recording. If I was out of space, manage the space. There is no SIM cards. The memory is inside of the glasses. So whatever space you have, it will show you in the app. They went up a lot in points because I didn't know the music was gonna be as good as it was. Hopefully this video helped you out. That way you can decide on your own if you wanna buy them, if they're worth it. Please like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.